Guna hiyan kan chhawpchhuah lian ta le chhawpchhuah za open stall an thawphuah mek a kan Mizoram big te tihluih kan lo lawm anga kan lo welcome anga tichuan an dawt chhuat nuah le a big again stall
lo hơi rõ lên thu văn oi đó
How many people? Again, have you got some money from Vishwakarma?
No, sir.
And you have registered yourself with the Vishwakarma portal? CSC?
Nang mari nang CSC through in register kan ko uso ni mo.
CSC through law mahab of CSC through.
You got the certificate?
Yes, sir.
Huh? You got the certificate?
Yes.
And training?
No.
No training.
So sir, just to add, normally once they register through CSC, they also receive Vishwakarma ID card and registration card.
I know
it's
that.
like a certificate. So they might, the training certificate is not there yet, but they do receive that certificate.
But that should be issued automatically once they have complete the all layers.
They receive
Huh?
by
Yes, sir.
post, yes.
Huh? By post or through CSC?
Already online. Anybody
Online, no?
the beneficiary can download the certificate.
What you are doing? Again, barber.
Yes, sir. Beauty parlor.
Have you got the training from Vishwakarma? Got the training?
Training.
Just started. But it is only for 7 days.
No.
Separate training.
Which training is for?
I don't think it's Vishwakarma training.
Some other training.
Yeah, some other trainings. Because we have not started.
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइट
Room maker.
So the raw material is available here? What these people are doing?
No, sir,
Huh?
it was not about not finding
Huh?
people. When we were initiating the training, it was really heavy monsoon time.
Have prepared? Repairing.
handicraft
Oh, so keychain or
Keychain.
hand cream dito.
Oh.
Kay Manisya. Yung gloves dito. Mo
Aizawl.
Christmas deco ho te. Kay Manisya.
all manufactured.
Have you got any assistance from Vishwakarma scheme?
Vishwakarma from something like that.
No.
Get PVC.
You are coming from which district?
Pardon?
Aizawl district.
Yes.
Far from my house. Cobbler. Nothing there.
What is this?
Food processing.
Bamboo shoot.
Bamboo suit.
Bamboo suit.
And this?
The dried leaf. Mizoram.
Bean leaf.
Bean leaf.
Chili.
Roasted satay tea.
Which district you are coming?
That's it. Aizawl.
Aizawl. And got any assistant from Vishwakarma?
He constructs one thing. It tells me to know handicrafts. They occupied instead of someone.
Which district you are?
Aizawl district.
Aizawl.
Because this person should not mention.
How much you have earned from this place?
That will be initial.
5,000. So the total this is earning or proceeding? Total. Small version of cooking.
Kukri is like bend, no?
So what is name of this? And this is for which district you are?
Koi district में
Kolasip. So how much you have earned from this?
ऐसा नहीं इसे दिखा ऐसा है शादी नहीं है only one
Only one. Oh my God. And 3 days he has spent here.
but he has in Salem
Bazahian tam lawa, financial tam lawa.
kho ngay om Kolasip amo kon puy amo Kolasip district
These are all natural. They have just colored it.
natural khai
They colored. This one, na? Made. Yeah.
and they color
Oh, abay yan mo.
How much you have earned during this?
Kaya tayo in Salem akile Morasa
Indian carpenter.
Master Kota
So what is the use of this?
For sieving, sir.
Ajay for steaming.
they are from Mumbai district emaw what place Hma
Have you got any assistant from Vishwakarma?
not yet in la dong lo no one
Training?
training chu ala pi le punu le pa te changa thiam thil kan nai ni so kha hian training na pa nei lo
they get their skills from there
No, that is okay, but you need some money for purchasing all these kind of things, raw material, all these things. So for that purpose, you have to register with the portal. They have they registered?
training oh te pa
they have already undergone training.
They have undergone. So then we have to at least he is entitled for tool assistant.
Ala in pay swak lo sim sim scheme kha chon
sing
sing le
sang
mo
a po kha poi sai ni lo in nan rua a chu lu kan ai ti ka kan le sak don so ti kha ni ka
ho sa rin dong ang karing
So those tools implements 15,000 also. They said they'll give them in kind.
there will not be misses like that
What they are saying?
they
For 15,000 है
They are
सर।
yet to receive.
15,000 रुपये का टूल किट इन लोगों को मिलेगा, कैश नहीं मिलेगा।
हम्म।
तो आफ्टर ट्रेनिंग के बाद इन लोगों को एक वाउचर आता है स्पीड पोस्ट के थ्रू। वो वाउचर इनके पास आएगा पहले, उसके बाद टूल किट उनके पास पोस्टमैन आके देगा। तो वो पोस्टमैन ने उसको स्कैन करेगा और उसको पेमेंट चला देगा, इनको टूल किट दे देगा।
नहीं निकला है आपने अभी दिया नहीं आपने
अभी दिया सर, मिनिस्ट्री गाइडलाइन रिमर्स करना है सर, मिनिस्ट्री गाइडलाइन।
what is once they have gone from here then how can you find out them you give right अभी दीजिए ना
नहीं ऑलरेडी
Account transfer।
हाँ अकाउंट ट्रांसफर ऑलरेडी सब फॉर्म फिलअप करवा लिया सर। ये लोग
करवा लिया है ना?
हाँ, कल से दे देंगे हम लोग,
अकाउंट में चला जाएगा
अकाउंट में चला जाएगा।
so you will get the money
In the account, I'll look at.
transportation and your lodging
1 वीक में हम लोग इन लोग को ट्रांसफर कर देंगे।
Akka var det kilo mai til.
good
Asker kom det. Basket maker.
good very good
They also the baskets.
In Aizawl le.
so how much मतलब you have get earned in this day
Zan number mention.
awareness is one thing but along with awareness we have to see that there is a business also so collect this information
Handicraft.
handicap actually
They are from Lungai district. Oh, very good.
Beautiful things from June.
all of jute huh? so they raw material you get from West Bengal
Khoi tang in fan ro hin hu.
Hardware shop. Jute.
Father shop.
Chuan tu angin la hei man rua hi le tu thi ong thalo thin de a boy chan
Hi Barbara.
still on the
ประมาณหันมาที่ท่านปัญญานี่เดียว
Morning, sir.
morning
We are from CNI department.
This step
Commercial department. We are accompanying our sales trainer, Madam Director. We are dealing with this scheme as well as other central schemes. And PMFM scheme also. Most of the schemes we are dealing with.
so we have provided copies of this to all the artisans
Yeah, all the artisans and all those who are willing to set up their own industry in food processing and as well as other schemes also, like PMEGP and PMFME and other industries.
the same unit
same